In this video, I am going to show you how to make a thumbnail using VidIQ's thumbnail creator. Start by going to the YouTube Video Manager page. This is where your uploaded videos are listed and can be managed. On the Video Manager page, look for the VidIQ button. This button is a part of the VidIQ extension functionalities integrated into your YouTube account. Click on Thumbnail Editor. This will open the thumbnail editing tool provided by VidIQ. The editor allows you to choose a frame from your existing video to use as the base of your custom thumbnail. Scrub through your video to find a frame that best represents your content. Alternatively, you can upload a custom image from your computer if you have a specific design in mind or a pre-made thumbnail. Utilize the text tool to add compelling titles or key phrases to your thumbnail. VidIQ provides options to customize the font, size, color, and border of your text. For consistency across your videos, consider making a thumbnail template. Once the standout of the thumbnail you created is good, click Save Design within the VidIQ editor. Finally, apply the newly created custom thumbnail to your videos and watch them grow. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.